go behind the barn door and find out about this awesome horse.
Look at that horse. Beautiful horse. He's going to have someone on his back soon. Someone on the back now. Lucas. Yes.
He likes to eat the grass.
Look at this. Yes. Yes. What a beautiful horse, huh, boys and girls?
Boys and girls, here's the horse we saw at the beginning. A vaulting horse. That means a person does gymnastics and dance on his back.
Coming up close. Hi. Really bumpy, boys and girls. She's really good to stay on that horse.